to the channel. First of all, sorry for the delay, but my phone was damaged and then I went on a family trip. So have you watched my vlogs? Not yet? Then check out the link in the description and let me know your thoughts how the videos are. So as I am back, I am going to make some projects for you guys, and I was reading the magazine Electronics for you, and there I found a very interesting project using Arduino and some LEDs. As the festival of lights is coming, Diwali is coming, so I thought let's DIY something related to the lights. So I'm going to do that project. Even I don't know what is that project is all about. I just found that thing interesting. So with suspense, let's DIY this. So here is the circuit, and here we go with the soldering. Well, it's looking quite complicated, but it is not that much complicated. You just need a lot more of patience to make this circuit, and you can get the circuit diagram in the description below, so check it out. And I have this Arduino Nano and the code is already uploaded on it, so you can get the code in the link in the description below, check it out. So I'm going to add this Nano over here like this, and now let's test that how it works. Even I don't know how it will work, so let's check it. So here I have the connector of Arduino Nano. This side will be connected in the mobile phone charger for power supply, and this side will be connected over here. So are you ready? Let's check how it works. Okay, so lights started flashing. Let me change some values using this screw on the potentiometer. So okay, value changed to the maximum. Oh, what happened? And LEDs are flashing. Okay, so we are using this potentiometer to control the speed, the distance, the delay timing between flashing of LEDs. So if I am changing it, then you can see the LED flashing speed is very less, and when I am increasing, the speed of flashing is also increasing. So this was the project, I think. Okay, but what is its use? Whatever you think about the project, let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. So comment down what you think about it. This was our today's project, and if you liked it, then don't forget to click on the like button, share it with your friends, and yes, let me know your thoughts, your suggestions in the comment section below. Happy Diwali to all of you, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon, because I came up with some interesting DIY projects every week. So see you guys next week. Till then, be cool, work smart.
Bye.